Hello, my name is Jonathan Weigel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Photoshop in order to create bump maps and normal maps to create 3D textures for your 3D objects. I shouldn't say they're called 3D textures. It's sort of a false texture. I mean, it provides a 3D sort of it, it provides a 3D texture, but it's not really a 3D per se. It's not really 3D. It's more of, uh, you know, using technology to our advantage. So right here we have our two uh, maps, and we have our normal one in the middle, just, plain normal, not like a normal map. To the left is the normal map, and to the right is the bump map. The normal map is more modern these days. You see a lot of people, a lot of games use normal maps. And in the past, I know Halo used bump maps. And so that's the bump maps. But, you know, use what you want. So let's go ahead right into Photoshop. It'll be easy. It's a really easy process to create a 3D texture. So what we got to do is file and I'm just going to open up my Treebark texture, which is right in front of us right now. So what you got to go to, filter, 3D, and there's two options, generate bump and normal. Now whatever you want to choose, it's up to you. Now I'm just going to do normal because, I'm just going to click it. And as you can see, there's this texture right here now. You just click OK. And just, when you see this texture, go ahead and file save. And, save it with whatever, save it however you want. Like, make sure you call it a normal map. And if you want to create a bump map, same process, filter, 3D, bump. And as we can see, the tree gets, black and white. And that's how you create that bump map. So after that is all done, we, save everything. Let's head straight into Maya. And as we can see, Maya is, already has a 3 shapes, but I'll go ahead and go through the whole process with y'all. So we're going to bring out a sphere, don't mind how little it is, and I already have a texture on it and all that because I use Lambert 1 as sort of my starting one, which was a big mistake, I understand, but oh well. You live and you learn. Anyways, go ahead and assign your object a new texture and go right into color, file. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get our tree texture that we have. So this one right here, that is our tree texture. And now in order to create that bump map or normal map that we want, you see this bump map right under incandescent. You click the checkered box, file, and we select image name, and we just you do your bump or your normal. Boom. I'm just gonna do normal. And as we can see, we have our bump value, bump depth, and use as. So you would use your bumps as bumps, and bump map. Well, you use bump as bump map, and this tangent space normal. You can use that as use it for the normals. I haven't tried the object space. Huh. That doesn't look too bad really, but the tangent space looks good as well. It just depends on what you're trying to create, really. I'm just gonna put that out there, just to show it off as well, since I didn't have that in my scene. And here we are. We have the tangent normal, the bump, and the object normal. And this is our sort of normal, basic texture right here. So if we just compare these just side by side with each other, You can definitely see the differences between all of them, especially the shading as well. And yeah, we can definitely see if we could just compare this one and all the other sort of different ones we have set out for each other. And it's a really easy process. I'm not going to favor one you want. Uh, whatever one you want to use is the one you can use. It all depends on what you need and what your sort of environment calls for. What your object environment, what it calls for. That's about it. It's a really easy process, trust me. You can get the hang of it within like 30 seconds flat, trust me. But that'll be for all. And thank you for tuning into the video, and I'll see you guys later.